Explore Galveston's food culture with a guide. Enjoy food tastings with 10 foodie venues. Our tours leave with 16 to 21 maximum guests. Several food tour options for food lovers of all kinds. One of the best things to do on Galveston Island without hitting the beach. Galveston Island tourists enjoy our foodie crawl. Culinary delights abound and Astound. Indoor, outdoor, patio restaurants, and dessert. ID required for drinking alcohol. Singles, couples, group tour reservations available. Call and book now. 409-599-5425.